Ashwagandha, also known as Vidania somnifera, is a powerful herb that has been used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Known for its rejuvenating and adaptogenic properties, it is considered one of the most important herbs in the Ayurvedic system of healing. In this video, we will explore the origins, health benefits, uses, and precautions associated with Ashwagandha. Origins and traditional use. Ashwagandha is a small shrub that belongs to the Solanaceae family. It is native to the dry regions of India, Northern Africa, and the Middle East. The name Ashwagandha is derived from the Sanskrit words Ashv meaning horse and Gandha meaning smell, referring to its strong odor, which is often described as horse-like. It has been used for over 3,000 years in Ayurvedic medicine to promote vitality, strength, and overall well-being. Chemical composition. The key active components of Ashwagandha are alkaloids, vithanolides, steroidal lactones, vidafrins, and saponins. These bioactive compounds contribute to its therapeutic effects. Ashwagandha also contains several minerals, including iron, calcium, and magnesium, as well as essential amino acids, flavonoids, and antioxidants. Health benefits. Adaptogenic properties. Ashwagandha is classified as an adaptogen, which means it helps the body adapt to stress and promotes overall balance. It supports the body's natural resilience, enhances energy levels, and helps manage stress-related symptoms like anxiety and fatigue. Enhances cognitive function. Ashwagandha has been found to improve cognitive function and memory. It may protect against neurodegenerative diseases by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Boosts immune system. The herb has immune-modulating properties that can enhance the body's defense mechanisms, helping to fight off infections and illnesses. It supports the production of white blood cells, which play a vital role in immune function. Reduces inflammation. Ashwagandha has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate inflammation in the body. It may be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel disease. Supports energy and vitality. Ashwagandha is known for its rejuvenating properties. It helps increase energy levels, reduce fatigue, and promote vitality and longevity. Manages anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that Ashwagandha can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. It may help regulate stress hormones and improve mood by supporting neurotransmitter balance in the brain. Supports hormonal balance. Ashwagandha has been traditionally used to support hormonal health, particularly in women. It may help regulate menstrual cycles, reduce symptoms of menopause, and improve fertility. Uses and precautions. Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including powders, capsules, extracts, and teas. The appropriate dosage may vary depending on the individual and the desired effects. It is generally well tolerated, but some people may experience mild side effects such as gastrointestinal upset or drowsiness. However, there are a few precautions to consider. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare professional before using Ashwagandha. It may interact with certain medications, so it's essential to consult a healthcare provider if you are taking any prescription drugs. Individuals with autoimmune diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis or lupus, should use Ashwagandha with caution, as it may stimulate the immune system. In conclusion, Ashwagandha is a powerful herb with a rich history in Ayurvedic medicine. Its adaptogenic properties, along with numerous health benefits, make it a popular choice for promoting overall well-being. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any herbal supplement to ensure its safe and appropriate use.